Wow. Wait a second.
And also,
What's over here? What is this?
oh, I know what he brought me.
What did he bring you? What did he bring you? What is it?
Wait,
Oh,
I want to show you something.
okay.
Cheese.
Good job. Okay. What do you want to show me?
There's one on the couch right now. Hey,
Daddy,
let me
come
show
look.
You. Let me show you.
Let's see.
Wait a minute. Look. What's this?
What is, I don't know. Let's see. What does this say? This is a Cars projector, a light up projector. It looks like a little,
What's a projector?
I don't know. It looks like a little flashlight.
And he gave me I found this. I found this one too.
Oh my goodness.
Another egg.
Let's see what's in it.
Another sack.
Wow. Another egg.
I found this one. Another rabbit.